Hi guys, now we are here to discuss the May 2019 paper. कितने मार्क्स बताइए? 12 plus 4 16 marks. Amount spent for the construction of temporary huts which were necessary for construction of cinema house for demolish when cinema house was ready is capital expenditure. पहले समझाता हूँ मैं इसको. याद करिए कभी आपने देखा होगा जब घर बन रहा होता है तो लेबर के रहने के लिए वहीं पर छोटे से घर बना देते हैं और बाद में आप उन घरों को तोड़ देते हैं. अल्टीमेटली वो जो घर बनाए गए वो टेम्परेरी स्ट्रक्चर है, एग्रीड, बट वो रेडी टू यूज बड़ी बिल्डिंग के पहले बने हैं. इसका मतलब उसको बनाने में भी कॉस्ट आई होगी. अगर वो नहीं बनेगी, लेबर कहाँ रहेंगे, उसके बिना बिल्डिंग नहीं बनेगी एंड देयरफॉर वो खर्चे भी अनिवार्य या मैंडेटरी होते हैं. तो क्या लिखेंगे? यस, द अबव स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू बिकॉज सच टेम्परेरी हट्स वर necessary for the construction of cinema house without which cinema house cannot be constructed and therefore such expenditure on construction of temporary huts is a capital expenditure because capital expenditure is incurred for the long-term benefit and this cinema house will be giving the long-term benefit. It will generate the revenue earning capacity or increase the revenue earning capacity of the business and it will be recorded in the balance sheet. The statement is true. Error of principle is a error when rules of accounting are not followed, like revenue expenditure is treated as capital expenditure, etc. However, if amount is posted in wrong account, like instead of RAM account to Sham account, or instead of debit side, it is written on credit side, it is not an error of principle, rather it's an error of commission. Statement is false. In case of consignment sale, ownership of goods will be transferred to consign. The statement is false because in case of consignment, ownership is never transferred to consigning. It is only the physical location of the goods is transferred. Only the possession of the good is transferred and not the ownership. In case the due date of bill falls after the date of closing of the account, interest from date of closing to such due date is called reading interest. The statement is true. ये लाइन देखिए यहां से पकड़ी हुई है, स्टडी मेटेरियल की लाइन है. ये देखिए यहां से लाइन ली हुई इन्होंने, देखिए एग्जैक्टली सेम लाइन है. स्टेटमेंट इज ट्रू. आप एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, लेजर डेट इज 30 अप्रैल, ड्यू डेट इज 5 मई. तो 30 अप्रैल से 5 मई का जो इंटरेस्ट होगा डेट इज नोन एज रेड इंक इंटरेस्ट एंड इट विल बी रिकॉर्डेड इन द statement while calculating the account current. Limited liability partnership is governed by LLP Act 2008 and therefore statement is false. सिक्स्थ वाला रेशियो का है जो आपका कट चुका है, इसलिए आपको नहीं करना. Enjoy. Distinguish between the going concern and the cost concept. दो नंबर के हैं, ये ऑलरेडी अब कराया भी गया होगा. Going concern concept means that enterprise will be surviving in a business for a longer period of time. This is a concept based on which we assume that life of business is more than 1 year. This is a concept based on which we divide the asset among the fixed asset and the current asset. This is the concept based on which we divide the liability as a long-term liability or the short-term liability. If going concern concept is not followed, if business is about to close, in that case assets are recorded on the realizable value. Going concern concept is also one of the main fundamental accounting assumption as per the accounting policy. Fundamental accounting assumptions इतना लिखिए, कहानी खत्म. Cost concept is a concept based on which asset is recorded in the books on historical cost. For example, if a car is purchased for 10 lakh and 1 lakh has been incurred before the car has been purchased on accessories, etc., then the cost of the car will not be 10 lakh, rather it will be 11 lakh. आप लैंड बिल्डिंग एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं. लैंड खरीदी आपने 10 लाख की, उस पर कंस्ट्रक्शन कराई 5 लाख का, तो कॉस्ट विल बी 15 लाख. तो आई होप दिस 16 मार्क्स May 19 का आपको अच्छी तरह क्लियर हो गया होगा. थैंक यू. एंजॉय योरसेल्फ.